Okay, I'm going to give you a quick runaround on this service truck we have for sale. It's a 98 Louisville, which is built by Sterling. It's got a Cat 3126 engine in it. It was owned by a Cat dealer. It's been well maintained. I'll walk around the body real quick. There's no major dings or dents or anything. There's a few minor scratches where we had debadged it. They didn't do a real good job trying to hide their logos. Bumper got a little dent in it there. Front tires we replaced. They're probably 95%. Just a little bit of waxing will probably help. A little tiny nick in the hood there. Little residue paint where they tried to cover up the decals. It's got one fuel tank. The inside is real clean for the mileage. It's got 266,000 miles on it. Like I said, it was maintained owned by a Cat dealer, so they did all the maintenance on it. It had regular service intervals. The driver's seat has been replaced. We fixed the air conditioning, recharged it, so that's all up to speed. All the doors open and close fine. We cleaned it. This is for your tanks, settling tanks. Air compressors above. It's an IMT Dominator body. You've got your miscellaneous drawers here. You're putting bolts, nuts and bolts, and fittings and stuff like that. You've got inside lights all around. A big box for storage. The welder had gone here. A couple of cables for the lights to run off the welder. Couple compartments here. The outriggers manually come out, hydraulically go down on the back. The front ones, actually there's just one on the other side. I'll show you that when we go around. Here's the back storage area. The truck does lean a little bit to the right. I'm sure you could put a little bit of an overload to straighten that out, or maybe the welder would straighten that out with the counterweight. We'll operate the crane in a minute here. Show you that functions okay. The vise is gone. Here's the other side of the tailgate storage area. Here's the compartment area for the crane controls, the cable and stuff. The operator's control and stuff. We'll show that function in a minute. Here's the other side compartment. They've got chains that hold it. Just need to be adjusted. There's another big door. Actually, this is for the torches. The other side is just a storage cabinet. Got a couple good Cat batteries on it. Like I say, for the most part, the only real body issues would just be some buffing it out. The inside's real clean. Doesn't appear to be smoked in. At least doesn't smell like it. Back tires are probably 20-30%, maybe a little more. They're kind of mixed. We put two good front ones on it. I'll show you the engine compartment real quick. As I said, Cat 3126. By the way this thing runs, I guarantee you that they've kept it maintained well. It starts right up, even in cold weather. Had a couple cold mornings after we bought it, and I made sure it started to check it out. Runs fine. Go ahead and start it and operate the crane. You've got a crane, air compressor mechanism. When you hit the air compressor, it automatically bumps up the idle on the truck. You've also got emergency shutdowns and stuff. You can manually operate the engine idle from the controls. Pull the trigger, operate the crane to go up. As a safety device, but you have to pull the trigger a couple times sometimes to operate some of the controls. I'm assuming it's a safety device, but other than that, everything seems to work okay. Thanks.